The gates to Pastranaland. What is up, YouTube? What is up, future self? Right now, we are headed to Pastranaland in Annapolis, Maryland. It is going to be absolutely mental. We are going for a weekend of mayhem, a weekend of just complete insanity, pit bike racing, foam pit sessions, hashtag Bowl Cut Academy. It's on. Right now, I'm following Zach Kleptowski. He's manning the helm of the box truck in front of us. It is loaded up with really gnarly stuff. Dirt bikes, BMX bikes. And if you saw the vlog from yesterday on this channel, you'll know that this truck is loaded up with really gnarly stuff. So yeah, we're stoked. We're headed to Annapolis to thrash Pastranaland for the weekend. So I can't wait to see what happens when we go through these gates. It's gonna be crazy. We are about 1 hour away from Pastranaland, and I made an amateur move and put the case of water in the bed of the truck, and now I'm just cottonmouth king up here. I might as well be a cottonmouth snake. Four miles away, and I don't know. Doesn't even feel real. It feels like I'm just driving. Like, you know what I mean? Like, the reality has not hit me yet, and I'm 4 miles away. 7 minutes. Let's go. So here we go. I think I'm pulling into what they refer to as Pastranaland, but I really have zero fucking clue, dude, what's going on, honestly. I'm just pulling in here at this point. It's gonna be savage, I have a feeling. So right now I'm just sitting in Travis Pastrana's driveway in the dark. No one is around me. Maybe Zach's flashing me. I don't know what's going on here. Let me see what's going on. What's your claim? Are you scared?
No, I just don't know where to park this beast.
I claim you just pull it in there.
I mean, I don't want to park everyone in. And then have to back out too. That's a task.
Now I'm at the gate of Pastranaland, dude. This is the gate of Pastranaland. I officially found it. You can't see shit, but dude, we're here. Pastranaland. I gotta go get Zach Kleptowski. Here we go, guys. The gates to Pastranaland are opening. You can't really see much, but they're opening. You can see them. Holy shit, boys. It's gonna be insane. We are officially at Pastranaland. It's pretty much mayhem in here. Historic, to say the least.
If I go out for a ride, I might not make it back alive. Another pickle in the jar. No turning back, I've gone too far. Just a useless point of view. I know it all. No! One more drink, I'll understand. And you can marry it all beneath the sand.
That was sick! Dude, I spotted among all the dirt bikes the Nitro trike, bro. Wait, dude, is this the Mad-Az? Is that the Mad-Az? Dude, I found the Mad-Az Nitro trike. Whoa, boys.
Whatever's left is too far gone. A rusty bike in my backyard. One last ride beneath the sun.
Fresh tires hook up great on this. Never seen it better myself.
it's getting extremely rowdy around here, but Travis Pastrana, the big dog, claims no filming at night unless you want to catch an ass whooping. So, gotta put the cameras away and just get into the mayhem, boys. See you in the morning.
Right now, I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen.